Rainfall following the aftermath of Cyclone Fengal, which caused significant disruptions in the city. Local authorities reported heavy showers throughout the day, leading to waterlogging in several areas. Drone visuals captured the widespread impact of the cyclone, showing flooded streets and damaged infrastructure. Officials indicated that rescue teams were deployed to assist affected residents and prevent further damage. The rainfall, coupled with strong winds, also led to power outages in parts of the city. As teams work to restore services, the cyclone's residential effects continue to impact daily life in Puducherry. In Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath